Tired of boring desktop backgrounds? I'll show you how to use any YouTube video as a live wallpaper, 4K or 8K, animated and completely free, in under 2 minutes. Press Windows key then, type Microsoft Store, search for Lively Wallpaper, then click Install. Open youtube.com, search 4K Live Wallpaper. Copy the video URL, open Lively Wallpaper. Then click Add Wallpaper, paste the YouTube link, then click Flash and OK. Now your PC has cinematic motion, 24/7. Smash like if this leveled up your desktop, and subscribe for more Windows secrets.